Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to control Android smart TV with a Android phone. So friends, it's a simple way of process. Let's start now. First of all, you need app called Android TV remote. It is available on Play Store. Let's go. Search for it. Android remote. So here is it. Install it. So friends, it is installing now. Wait for some time. Open it. Next, continue. Hello. Should turn on Wi-Fi and you need a Wi-Fi hotspot. That on the Wi-Fi. Here is my here is my Wi-Fi Geo 5. Now I've connected it. Now I'll show you how to operate TV. So friends, here is my TV. It is looking here. Click on it. Now it asks for pairing. It sends a code to TV, so we can enter it in a mobile phone. Enter it. Click on pair. Now our TV is paired. Now we can operate it with our mobile phone. See how it is changing. You can change your pads also. You can change it as touchpad. See how touchpad is working. So friends, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video.